GFCI Training Services specialize in providing courses giving in-depth knowledge and practical insight about engineering industry, leading to effective hands-on skills. We go beyond the theory and focus on what is found in actual practice in the field.
Welcome to the course Basics of Electrical Wiring. This is a basic course for anyone who wants to know more about the all-important electricity that brings the power to run modern life. Even though electrical wiring appears complicated, we have simplified things for you by using simple wiring diagrams which clearly illustrates all the basic components of electrical wiring, starting with incoming supply, consumer panel, wiring components, wiring different circuits like radial, ring, parallel, single-phase, three-phase and so on. We have also gone into the selection of conductor sizes and circuit breakers, distribution of load between phases and the application and wiring of residual current devices, GFCIs. As a bonus section, a detailed wiring illustration of a sample apartment is provided. At the end of this course you will be in a position to know exactly what your electrician is supposed to do in your house, and even be able to troubleshoot minor electrical problems yourself.